I was just checking the weather. It looks like a big storm's rolling in tomorrow. And I think now's our opportunity to figure out the broken glass on the driver's door. I got a confession to make. I don't own a shop vac. I don't have a vacuum cleaner in the garage. For all the cleaning and detailing that I enjoy to do, that I like to do, whenever I need to vacuum out the car, I simply take $1, run up to the gas station, use their vacuum. And that's where we're headed right now. The real issue with replacing this window, I mean, it's the storm, obviously, and the water damage, but it's the racket, the amount of noise having a plastic window does. If you don't have a hearing problem already, you will just a few minutes down the road with this thing flapping in your ear. Anytime I need to cross traffic, I need to open the door and look both ways. I can't see through this plastic. Can you hear that? Can you hear how loud it is? I'm only doing 40. And this is the mess that is about to get cleaned up finally. Oh, I'm actually surprised that works. I haven't even tried that yet. So that's good news. And down here, looks like we have the old window track. So without digging my fingers in there, I think it did a pretty decent job. I did find this stuff down in the door, and I don't know if it's part of the van or something else, so I'm hoping one of you guys might know or recognize what it is. I don't have anything on me to dig into those little nooks and crannies, and look, I only got cut once. It's a good day. And ironically, I was vacuuming under the seat, and I came across this. You know what that is? Which is fantastic. And it doesn't look all dried out or worn out either. Perfect. Oh, gloves! I could put these on eBay. All right, we got the hose all wrapped up, we're ready to go. But before we do that, let's rip that plastic off the window because I'm fed up with that. With that, we're out of here, but before that, I want to show you this. When I went down to the auction lot the day after I won this online, I took the plastic and the duct tape, I put it on here. I knew it was going to leave the residue and the mess on here. I'm not too worried about that at this point because I had some plans to redo the paint anyway. Quite a nice difference without that plastic flapping in your ear. Here in the garage, this is the replacement window that I picked up from the salvage yard, what, maybe 6 weeks ago? Now this window had a film tint on it that literally took an hour to scrape off. Every single inch of it fought me. While I had it all cleaned off, I put some duct tape on there, I cleaned off the track, and I put some white lithium in there as well, so it's all ready to go in. I'm not really sure how it's going to go in. Never done one of these on the Astro before. And so we're just going to figure it out as we go. So that's clearly not working, but take a look down here. Take a look down here in the track. I forgot to clean that out. Look, what a mess. And I think I need to pop those tracks out, and I'm hoping that's all I got to do is pull that out. It's not a 3/8. 7/16 is too big. It's metric, a 10. So look at that, after using the vacuum, getting it all cleaned out, forgot to do the channel. So look, after fighting with it for 20 minutes, this is what I found. You have to bring the window in from the outside of the door. You slide it into this track first, the outside track. The inside track unbolts down below. And once you have the window pushed down, you have to take this track and angle it in a way that gets it wedged into the window. So after a little wiggle and a jiggle, you can get it in there. So I got the glass in, but I can't figure out how to get the rollers attached to the track. And what I think I need to do is drill out the rivets that hold the crank in so I can maneuver the rollers in a different place and get them in this track. That, however, will be another project for tomorrow. And this is exactly why I'm not a repair channel. This isn't what I do, but I enjoy getting in there and getting dirty and cut up too at the same time. So I hope you got something out of this, at least what not to do. And I'll see you tomorrow.